Geotechnical services play a crucial role in the field of civil engineering, and Dankaur, a town located near Delhi, is no exception. Geotechnical services in Dankaur provide valuable insights and information about the soil and rock conditions of the area, which are essential for the design and construction of various structures. These services involve conducting tests and analyses to determine the physical and mechanical properties of the soil and rock, as well as assessing their suitability for different types of construction projects. In Dankaur, geotechnical services are particularly important due to the diverse soil and rock types found in the region. The area consists of alluvial soils, which are deposited by rivers and streams, as well as hard rock formations. The properties of these soils and rocks can vary significantly, posing challenges for engineers and designers. Geotechnical services in Dankaur help to characterize these materials and provide recommendations for foundation design, slope stability analysis, and other geotechnical considerations. This parameter is crucial for the design of foundations, as it determines the maximum load that can be safely supported by the soil without causing settlement or failure. Through various tests such as standard penetration tests, SPT, or cone penetration tests, CPT, geotechnical engineers can assess the bearing capacity and provide recommendations for foundation design accordingly. The region's topography and geological conditions often result in slopes that require careful analysis to ensure their stability. Geotechnical engineers utilize techniques such as geophysical surveys, stability analysis software, and laboratory testing to evaluate the factors contributing to slope instability and recommend mitigation measures. These tests help determine parameters such as shear strength, permeability, compaction characteristics, and classification of soil types. In the realm of civil engineering, geotechnical services are essential, and Dankaur, a town close to Delhi, is no exception. For the planning and building of various constructions, geotechnical services in Dankaur offer invaluable insights and knowledge about the soil and rock conditions of the region. Engineers and designers have difficulties because of the wide variations in these soils and rocks qualities. Geotechnical engineers can determine the bearing capacity by various procedures like standard penetration tests, SPT, or cone penetration tests, CPT, and offer suggestions for foundation design in accordance. The evaluation of slope stability is a crucial part of Dankaur's geotechnical services. The topography and geology of the area frequently produce slopes that need to be carefully examined to ensure their stability. Geotechnical engineers assess the variables causing slope instability and suggest mitigating actions using techniques like geophysical surveys, stability analysis software, and laboratory testing. This is especially important in regions where there are dangers associated to slopes, such as landslides. Additionally, geotechnical services in